Welcome to this video on how to plan classes for non-degree seeking students, undecided students, or if your major uses curriculum before 2018. First, you're going to want to log in to My LCCC. Next, look for the Navigate icon and go ahead and log in. Once you are logged into Navigate, you'll notice a Planner tab at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once in Planner, you will have to start searching for your courses manually. First, you will want to add a new term. Next, to start searching for classes, you will need to know what classes you need. For this, you can either use the LCCC catalog, or you can talk to your advisor to see what classes you need. If you know what classes you need, you can start searching for them using the search options provided by Navigate. The easiest and fastest way to search for a course is by using search by keyword. If you're looking for college algebra, all you need to do is type in college algebra, or you can type in math 1400. Once you have found the class that you would like to add to your semester, go ahead and click on add to term, and then click the semester you'd like to add it to, and then add to term. You'll now notice that the class is under the term you selected. Go ahead and pick the rest of your classes and add them to the term you want. If you've added a class that you don't need, go ahead and click the 3-bar menu and remove from this term. Once you have finished building your schedule, click the View and Edit Schedule button below the term to proceed registering for classes. For more instruction on how to register, please view our tutorial video on registration using Navigate.